Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address on the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually do this. The first way is that if you click on your address in the top left-hand corner, this is where you can use your current location or add a new address here. So once you enter your new address, you can set it as your delivery address. Additionally, if you click on your profile icon on the top right-hand corner, then click on Settings on the top-hand side, then click on Address, you'll appear in that same menu where you can go ahead and add your address and then go ahead and save it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.